Hey there, welcome back to Python's Data Diaries. Today we are diving into the world of strings. And no, not the guitar strings, but the ones that make Python sing. By the end of this, you will be stringing Python code together like a pro. Let's get started. Part 1. What is a string? A string in Python is basically a bunch of characters wrapped in single or double quotes. It's like a necklace of text. Check this out. I have created a string variable named greeting and assigned it the value hello world, enclosed in double quotes, making it a valid string literal. Let's print out the string variable greeting. Simple, right? Think of strings as containers for any textual data, like the classic hello world. Alright, now let's take our strings to the next level by adding some emojis. Because who doesn't love a little extra flair in their code, right? Let's run the code. So here's what I have done. I added the smiley emoji right after the text hello world while creating the string emoji underscore greet. Part 2. String methods. String methods are your magic tools for transforming strings. Now let's explore some awesome string methods. These methods let you transform text in various fun ways. So here's a string we have got. Message equals Python's data diaries inside quotes. First is upper method. Let's turn this string message into shouting mode using the upper method. The code is print inside parenthesis message dot upper method. Did you see that? Message dot upper method converts all the characters to uppercase, making it looks like it's shouting. Well, sometimes you need to make a point and uppercase is the way to do it. Second, capitalized method. Next, let's make this string message a bit more formal by capitalizing just the first letter using the capitalized method. The code is print inside parenthesis message dot capitalize method. Let's run the code. There you go. Message dot capitalize makes the first letter uppercase and leaves the rest in lowercase. Perfect for when you want to sound professional without yelling. Third, lower method. Now let's calm things down a bit. What if we want to whisper or just keep everything lowercase? That's where the lower method comes in. Now see the code. I have intentionally made a few letters uppercase here to demonstrate how the lower method works. Now run the code. See what happened? Message.lower method converts all the characters to lowercase. Perfect for when you want to keep things subtle and cool. Fourth, replace method. Now let's do a little word swap. Suppose we want to change data to code. We can use the replace method for this. The code is print inside parenthesis message dot replace method data comma code. Running the code. Look at that. Replace method replaces data with code in our string. Now it reads Python's code diaries. Easy, right? Well, this is super handy when you need to update text dynamically. Fifth, strip methods. Ever had a situation where your string has unwanted spaces at the beginning or end? That's where strip method comes in handy. It cleans up your string like a tidy vacuum cleaner. Let's jump to Jupyter Notebook and see the code. Here, strip method removes those extra spaces from the start and end of the string. If you want to remove only spaces at the beginning, you can use else strip method. And to remove spaces at the end, you can use rstrip method. Last but not the least, sixth is split method. Now let's say you want to break this string into individual words. For that, we use the split method. Think of it like slicing a loaf of bread into pieces. With split method, we get a list of words Pythoness data diaries. By default, split method separates the string wherever there's a space. You can also split by any character you like, making it super versatile for data processing. See the code? I have used the letter D inside the split method. When you run the code, the output shows that the string was split at each occurrence of the letter D, removing it and dividing the text into separate parts. Alright, that's all for today. We will dive into slicing, modifying and formatting strings in the next video. So stay tuned, keep watching, keep learning, and I hope you picked up something new today. See you soon. Bye.